Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable incoming calls on Viber. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Viber app and direct your attention to the bottom of your screen. You'll notice several navigation options there. Go ahead and tap on More to access additional settings and features within the app. This is where you'll find all the important configuration options for your Viber account. Once you tap on More, you'll be taken to a new screen with various menu options. Look for the option labeled Settings and tap on it. This will open up the main settings panel where you can control how Viber behaves on your device, including call preferences, privacy options, and notification settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, you'll see a list of different categories. Navigate through the options until you find calls and messages, and tap on it. This section specifically manages how Viber handles your calling and messaging features, giving you complete control over your communication preferences. Inside the calls and messages menu, you'll see an option that says Viber in Calls. This feature is what allows Viber to receive regular incoming calls when possible, essentially letting people contact you through Viber calls instead of traditional phone calls. Right now, this option is enabled by default. To disable incoming Viber calls, simply tap on this option to uncheck the radio button next to it. By doing this, you're telling Viber not to receive incoming calls anymore. This means that when someone tries to call you on Viber, the call won't come through to your device. This can be particularly useful if you want to avoid interruptions or if you prefer using other methods of communication. And that's it, you've successfully disabled incoming calls on Viber, and you won't receive any Viber call notifications going forward. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.